How to download YouTube videos on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can download YouTube videos on Android device. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, open up YouTube application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Scroll to the videos and select the one that you want to download. Once you have your video, just below the video there is a download button. All you have to do is tap on the download button and then you'll be asked to select the video quality. Select the one that you want from here and then tap on download button, and with that the video will be downloaded in your device or in your account. Once the video is downloaded completely, now if you want to go to your downloaded file, then you have to go to your profile at the bottom right corner, scroll down a bit and hit towards your downloads, and under this section you will find all of your downloaded video. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.